First, you will go to User Management. Next, you will go to Forced Punch in and out. And from here, we can select the employee. Next, we will select the date. Then select Run. Next, we will click the plus time event button. And from here, we select the role that that user was working, the date for their check-in or the start date of this time punch, the check-in time, we must have a punch out time or a clock out time, so here we'll select the clock out date, and then the clock out time as well. Once we are complete, we can click Save. You will now see a time event for this employee. Once complete, click Save and Publish. To edit a punch, we will go to User Management, and then Force Punch in and out. We will select the employee from the drop-down, followed by the date that we would like to edit, and then select Run. From here, we click the pencil next to the time we would like to edit, and then we will adjust the time accordingly. Once you are complete, click Update. Finally, click Save and Publish.